Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will show you a quick and easiest way to create PowerPoint presentation just from text using artificial intelligence. This presentation you're currently seeing was made from a line of text by an AI. In fact, we can create a presentation which is far better than this using AI for free. The best part is that we can also edit the presentation, like the text or the images using our Office PowerPoint application. So let's start with me. First, we will open Google, and then we will search for slidesgo.com. We will visit the official website, usually the first one on the search results. Okay, once we are on the official website, we can see our option called AI Presentation Maker, so we will click on that. Now we can see several different options available. By using these options, we can customize our presentation. First, we have the options to write the topic name for our presentation. Here I'm going to type my topic name. You should type yours topic name. Then we have to choose a writing tone. I will choose Creative option for this video. Then we have to change our language. Here, I will choose English language for my presentation. Next, we have to choose the number of slides for this presentation. For this video, I will go with 10 slides. Now we have another option for style. Here we can see that we have 4 different options for style, so we have to choose between this pre-made templates for our presentation. Here I will go with this template, for example. After that, we just have to click on this Generate Presentation button. Now we will be redirected to the login page, so we have to log into our account. But we haven't used this website before, right? So we're going to create a new account by clicking this Sign Up button right here. We will get 3 different options for sign up in this website, like using our Google ID, Apple ID, or with our email. Here, I will choose Continue with Email option for this video. So here we have to enter our email, and then we have to set a strong password. Then we should click on this Sign Up button right here. Now at this moment, we need to verify our email address. After successful verification of our email, we will continue by clicking on this Let's Go button. As you can see, our presentation is now ready. Here we can now edit text or images like this. We can also see different options on the left side for changing templates, text styles, adding elements, images or videos into the presentation, and different AI tools to enhance the look visual for the PPT slides. Once we are satisfied with our presentation slides, we will simply click on this green download button right here. You can choose the number of slides which you want to download. You can download this PowerPoint presentation as JPG, PDF, or PPTX. But the PPTX download option is only available to paid users, but don't worry, we have a trick for you. Here we will select PDF download option, and then we click on this download button right here. So your presentation is ready in PDF format. If you're okay with the PDF format for your presentation, you can use it as it is. We will go one step further. Here we will show you how you can get this presentation as an editable PPTX format. So you have to open Google on your browser, and then you have to search for PDF to PPT. I will recommend you to use these two sites. One is from Adobe, and the other is from ilovepdf.com. Both sites are good and fast. I will put all the links mentioned here in this video in the description box. For this video, I will use Adobe website, because it doesn't have any advertisement. So now you have to just upload your file here. File conversion process will start automatically. Now you can download your presentation as PPTX format by clicking the download button right here. And here's the final result. That's it for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this one. Also, feel free to leave any comments or questions below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.